So this is Royal Mint, Australian Royal Mint. And that's the base, and this is getting printed and polished, and look at these. This is like treasure hunt. It looks like Pharaoh's chamber, treasure for life after death. Now we are designing our own coin.
What shape you want?
I want a triangular one. What metal do I have? Okay, I definitely want gold.
Frosted or?
Coin didn't come through. Our coin is stuck there, so I'm just waiting for someone else to make a coin so that it can be pushed through. So the coin is stuck there. Oronima's height is like that, and if you go, okay, 610 or 620. So worth is $620. So this is Royal Mint, Australian Royal Mint. It's actually open 7 days, and you can come and visit. We always love visiting Australian mints. We have been to Perth Mint when we visited Western Australia, and obviously Australian Royal Mint in Canberra is quite unique, and it's in the capital. So we are going to visit inside and see all the artifacts on display. But this is a fantastic way of starting the day, and it's all about money, where the monies are made and all the coins. We don't use much monies these days since COVID, but this is a very nice spot. One of the top things that you can do in Canberra. This was established in 1965, and look at these coins. These are replica of Australian coins. So this is $2 coin, this is $1, this is 50 cent, 20 cent, 10 cent, 5, 2, and 1. Lower ones always in copper. What a gorgeous day we're having. Yesterday was fantastic, and then today it's just blue sky, and tomorrow is also equally forecasted as sunny as ever. Gorgeous weather in Canberra. What more you can ask for? Look at what we have in the entrance. It's a decoration with all these $1 coins, millions of them. Oh, this is a very, very nice, very well decorated. I think this is the shop. It's a gift shop here. So we are inside Australian Royal Mint, and downstairs is basically a gift shop and collectibles shop, and upstairs there is the history and the viewing gallery, and hopefully that will be a fantastic viewing gallery. These are the coin collectors heaven, and it has, is this the $1 one or?
Yeah.
$1 collections, only $10, and so these are different versions and varieties of 50 cent coin that was made over the years. Very nice way of presenting the history. Very nicely presented $50 and $100 notes here. And we have got some assorted jewelry for Oronima, and this is a very nice coin earrings. It's a very interesting way of measuring your heights. How tall are you in $1 coins? So how many $1 coins stack up will equal your height? So let's measure these. I'm vertically challenged, so it won't take much. So something here. 630, or maybe a bit lower, 620 I guess. So the idea is that if we stack up $190 equivalent of $1 coins, so like 190 $1 coins, it will be 50 centimeter, and then 100 centimeter is 380, 150 centimeter will be equivalent of 570, so you will require 570 $1 coins. And so Oronima's height is like that, and if you go, okay, 610 or 620. So worth is $620. This is a very funny thing, very nice thing. unique way of measuring your heights. So this is a mint your own coin machine, and so if we put $3 here through this slot and press the green button, it will going to print this particular coin, which looks rather fantastic, isn't it? It's like a space theme they're going on at the moment here in mint, and then this will go through and it will print and we'll be able to collect it. So Arunima is going to put through $3. So it shows $1 gone and $2. So $3 is gone. Press the green button. Yeah, so the process has started. So it's been minted. So it's coming for collection, I guess. Yeah. Coin didn't come through. Our coin is stuck there, so I'm just waiting for someone else to make a coin so that it can be pushed through. So the coin is stuck there. So we are waiting for our spawn, so it's going to come first.
This one came through okay. Ours was stuck.
Lift it a little bit, and you slide it in there. Just
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Thank you very much for all your help. Now we're going to the museum and factory, which is upstairs, and there is a viewing gallery, as I was mentioning. And look at these stairs. This stairs is quite unique. All these steps, they have got these coins embedded in each steps as decoration, and these are all 5-cent coins. And I was reading they have 15,000 coins, 5-cent coins they have used for this decoration of these whole stairs coming upstairs. So nice, very innovative. And what's this?
This like how the coins have changed over time. So stories of change.
Wow,
Supposed to run your hand and feel.
fantastic. This is very nice. Very artistic way of representing the stories of the coins. The coins that we all fight for. What a beautiful sight. All the museums in Canberra are just fantastic. They are so well decorated, very artistic inside. Interiors are just spectacular. Look at this interior, very dark, and all the coins are glowing. This Australian penny. Australia used to be under UK for such a long time, and this is Australian penny, 1911, historic. And there was a time we used to have in Australia a square coin. I know we used to have square coin in India as well. So this is a very similar one that we can see that Australia used to have as a square coin. This is a very interesting one. It's called currency chaos. And what's this?
So when the first fleet came in, there were people from everywhere, all over the world, and they had different sorts of coins, and nobody knew what value to use that coin for. So the governor, it was total chaos, and the Governor General decided to set a value for each and every currency available.
That's interesting, very Australian story, because Australia is made with all immigrants all over the world. I think nearly 200 country people are here together, which makes Australia. These are the example of first gold coin that was made in Sydney Mint, 1855. Now we are designing our own coin.
What shape you want?
I want a triangular one. What metal do I have? Okay, I definitely want gold.
Frosted or?
No, pure gold.
This looks better.
Okay, so go for frosted one. Okay, and then
Fauna.
okay, fauna and flora. So
Water.
Wattle, yeah.
Eucalyptus.
Wattle, go for wattle. Ah, that looks fantastic. No, actually, you put the pattern first and then put that one. Yeah, and then maybe put the flora one. Yeah, wattle. Yeah, that looks simple, but yeah, you can see both the pattern in the background and the wattle. Very iconic Australian.
This one works for the
Yeah, this looks right. Yeah. Okay, so this is our final design, and then submit. You just need to submit. Look at this. This is the coin making section. It's the Royal Australian Mint, and all these people are super busy designing and making actual real coins. And other side, we can see, yeah, this is a mechanical workshop, cutting and polishing and refining all those coins before they get shipped and distributed for usage in the society. Wow, it's a huge operation. Oh, okay, so it's the making reduction punch, creating dies, machining dies, and yeah, so on, polishing, inspecting. So these are different stages, that explaining what are the different stages and how the coins are made here. And this is the circulating hall. Look at the circulation bay. So many coins. These are all $2 Australian $2 coins. And that's the bay, and that's getting printed and polished. And look at these. This is like treasure hunt. It looks like Pharaoh's chamber. Treasure for life after death. This is the whole section where the coins are made. Look at this, so many $2 coins here. So that's the conveyor belt. All the coins are getting collected here and then counted, and all the faulty ones will be discarded, and then from there they're going back to be reprocessed and repolished again, and then this is the whole operation unit. And this is a very interesting area. You see, these are the medals made with similar material, gold, silver and bronze. And then middle, Gold Coast Commonwealth Games 2018, and then Sydney Olympic 2000. So all these medals are also made in this Royal Mint. Look at these coins, they're with real animal printed on them. See, this is the starting point. They're building this mint in 1965, and then it was, I think, opened in 1966 by this gentleman, Prince Philip. And this was the first batch of Australian coins. New mint for new money. So from 1966 we have these new coins, the decimal coins. Before that we had shillings, the British, British system. It is actually showing the trading ways, how the Aboriginal and historic Australian trade and different procedures were followed over the years, because Australian Aboriginals have history over 60,000, and so there must be different ways of trading over the years, long before all these modern coins arrived. Look, we have got Charles collection, King Charles III, and you can buy the whole set, and that will cost you $150. And on the $2 we have some Aboriginal person's image. And very interestingly, you can also have baby coins. Your baby picture goes here, so you can print a very custom-made coins as well, as a gift or maybe as an investment for future of that baby. And you have an opportunity to invest. Do you want to invest in these coins rather than buying a property or something like that? It will cost you $17,000 and you can get all these 6 gold coins. It's just a fantastic place if you can visit a Royal Mint in Canberra, Australian Royal Mint. We have a fantastic time and we could see how the coins are made, all these different steps. People are making coins from the material to the final production, and then also there are systems that they're going to be counting and inspecting any default or any faulty coins, and then they will be discarded and will be sent back for reprocessing and reused to create new coins. So many coins, like millions of $2 coins, and that chamber where it's collected, it looks like Pharaoh's afterlife treasures, and it was an amazing. So you must visit. It's absolutely free. All the museums in Canberra are free. So looking around and going into some of these museums will be fascinating because they are so well decorated, perfectly preserved and maintained. It's a beautiful thing to do in Canberra.